So, and now I'm going to show you the way how you can exchange an image in Illustrator. It's the longer way, but maybe something that you'd like to do. So let's use this guy. Oops, it says here carryover. Can I open this? It doesn't open, of course. What's happening? Here we go. It worked. Now what you can do is you are asking for or you click here for original. What it does, it will download for you the Illustrator, and depending on your setting, it would just open up the Illustrator file for you automatically. So now what you want to do, go to your merchandising sheet and copy the new colorways into, let's do this again, into the file. And then you can make this larger, scale, make sure to hold the shift key that you're keeping your proportions correct. There was something here that bugged me, so I'm taking that out. And in this case, we don't have the colorways. By the way, this pink, when it shows up pink, that means just you don't have the actual font installed, but don't worry about this. You won't be able to get rid of it unless you're changing to a different font, and then you won't have that anymore. So you can do that too if it bugs you too much. But see, when it's downloading, it creates this code, and this code is just for your security and safety so that people can't trace things back. And then hit Command Shift Save, find your file folder, tech packs is a carryover style, and based on this is 301, Peekaboo Breeze. Peekaboo Breeze long sleeve. So don't use carryover. Don't use funny long names like that, and then hit OK. So when you go into your files, so here's the carryovers, this is the new file, here are the carryover files. You can see you have the entire Illustrator document, and then in order to upload it, you just drag and drop this file. So that is the longer way, but this is how you can do this. So now you can see the Illustrator file has been uploaded now, including your new color selection. I hope you enjoyed. See you soon.